Hello and welcome back to another DIY video. Before we get started, make sure you give me a thumbs up to help with the YouTube algorithm. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel in the bottom right hand corner. And we're going to get started on changing the oil on my Jeep Wrangler JK. This is a right hand drive. Let's get started. Before we get started, this is going to be the setup I'm going to go with. I'm using the Pennzoil 5W20 fully synthetic. This is my Mopar OEM part. The part number is right there, MO349. First and foremost, you want to get your car up to operating temperature. Pop the hood. I think that part's pretty easy. Just pull down these little latches right here, one on each side. So looking at it from the front, again, this is a right-hand drive JK. From the top, pull this little cover off. Alright, so you'll notice that your oil filter is right there. And your fill hole is over here on the side. Okay, we'll go ahead and open this up for now so it can flow a little bit easier. Let's get under the car. Before you get under the car, you're going to need a 13mm socket right here, and then this one here is going to be for the oil filter housing. This is a 15/16 or a 24mm bit. So I'm just going over to what would normally be the passenger side. It is actually my driver's side. Alright, so what would normally be your passenger side, on mine it is the driver's side, because I have a right-hand drive Wrangler, super fun. But from this side, just from where the steering wheel is, I'm just going to go straight down. So going straight down, I know it's dirty, going straight down, you will see the drain bolt right there. Get a catch pan like this, obviously. Whoa. Alright. Let that drain out. Let's go back up top to change out the filter. Alright, so now we're going to wait for that to drain. We're going to go up top and work on our oil filter right here. There could have been a smoother way of doing that. All right. Just make sure it matches. Looks like it matches. Ah, there's a gasket in there. There it is. Well, all right. Well, here's a new one. Here's our old one. Pretty straightforward. Here's a new gasket. My hands are already oily, so I think it's fine. Kind of a tight snug there. So let's keep going. Ah. Okay. Just checking it all around. Okay. Just make sure. Grease up that one. This is ready to install. Reinstall. Alrighty, friends. Put your new one back in. I'm going to hand tight this, and then I'm going to torque it on at 18 foot-pounds. It's a very big torque wrench. Good. 18 foot-pounds. Alright, so it sounds like it is done draining. We're going to go back under the car and get this drain bolt back on. Going back under the car now. Back under it, I'm going to go ahead and reinstall this. I'm good with where it's at. Okay. Alright, so this should be 25 foot-pounds, which honestly seems like a lot to me, but I'm going to do mine at 23 and see if it leaks. If it does, then I'll go ahead and put it down to 25. Alright, so this next part is obviously pretty straightforward. I'm probably going to stop the video here, but you're just going to fill it in with oil 5W20 or whatever you're going to go with, oil of choice. It is about 6 quarts. Wrapping up the video now. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up to help with the YouTube algorithm. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel in the bottom right hand corner. And again, this is an oil change on a Jeep Wrangler JK right hand drive. And yes, I am in the US. I'm in Austin, Texas. Pretty cool. Thanks, guys.